Hey there, health enthusiasts! If you're looking to level up your nutrition game, you're in the right place. Today, I'm talking all about fiber, the unsung hero in your diet. Fiber might not get the spotlight like protein or vitamins, but trust me, it does wonders for your body, especially your gut. So why is fiber so important? Well, unlike fats, proteins, or carbs, fiber isn't digested. It sweeps through your digestive system, helping everything move smoothly and keeping you, well, regular. But that's not all. Fiber also helps lower cholesterol, balance blood sugar, and even supports weight management by helping you feel full longer. All right, time to dive into my top 16 fiber-packed foods. First up, chia seeds. These little guys are fiber powerhouses, 40 grams per cup. Sprinkle them on yogurt, blend into smoothies, or whip up a simple chia pudding. Bonus, they're loaded with omega-3s and protein too. Next, flax seeds, another tiny seed with massive nutrition. About 45 grams of fiber per cup. Ground flax seeds mix well into oatmeal, smoothies, or baked goods. Just grind them up for better absorption. Lentils are a solid pick, 16 grams per cooked cup. They're versatile for soups, stews, and salads, and also provide protein and iron. Black beans, with 15 grams per cup, are perfect for tacos, burritos, or as a hearty side. They're filling, protein-rich, and packed with antioxidants. Chickpeas come in at 12 grams per cup. Try them roasted, in salads, or blended into hummus for a satisfying snack. Split peas, 16 grams per cup. Toss them into soups for a comforting, protein-rich meal. Kidney beans offer 13 grams per cup, ideal for chili or salads. They're savory, filling, and super nutritious. Adzuki beans have 17 grams per cup. Use them in Asian-inspired dishes or sweeten things up in desserts. Raspberries, 8 grams per cup and bursting with flavor. Snack on them or toss in smoothies and desserts. Quinoa packs 5 grams per cooked cup and is a complete protein. Use it as a base for salads, bowls, or stir-fries. Pearled barley, about 6 grams per cup. It's great in soups or as a hearty side dish. Brussels sprouts, 4 grams per cup. Roast them for max flavor and nutrition. Oats are a breakfast staple with 8 grams per cooked cup. Make oatmeal, overnight oats, or blend into smoothies. Green peas add 9 grams per cup to your stir-fries or pasta. Sweet potatoes, 6 grams per cup, are versatile and loaded with vitamins A and C. And finally, almonds, 12 grams per cup. Snack on them, sprinkle on salads, or blend into smoothies for a fiber boost. So there you have it. 16 delicious, fiber-rich foods to keep your gut happy and your energy high. Let me know in the comments which one you're excited to try. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more nutrition tips. Stay healthy, and I'll see you next time.